Hello, welcome to another episode of TSW. Today we have Sudeep of Lumio. Remember Lumio? So today they have launched a new set of products. It's projectors. We'll know more about projectors. I don't understand much of projectors. Last I used was 6 or 7 years ago. I want to understand, Sudeep, how was the response to your Lumio TVs? Please share some milestones with us.
Sure. Thank you so much for having me once again. It was fun chatting last time. I think it was very informative. Read some of the comments and people were like, "Oh wow, it broke down and simplified a lot of topics." I think we'll try to keep it the same this time. But yeah, it's been since we met. I think it's been few months, but officially we went on sale on May 1st, and it's been like 50 days of in the business where we have actually done some money. But yeah, we have few milestone. There is a business side and then there's a customer angle. So business, we are happy to share that we have done over $1 million worth of sales in less than 50 days, which is a great for us. For a startup like us, I think is very, very meaningful. The first is always meaningful. But more than that, what gives us pride and we take immense happiness and also is, if you remember last time we said Lumio, we're trying to build a premium brand from India, right, in the home entertainment space. But बोलना एक चीज़ है, but how customer is perceiving, I think, is very important. Two key signals. One, who is the customer that is looking to consider buying a Lumio Vision TV, and on our own website, the traffic 40%, 40% traffic iOS or macOS users हैं, which says only one thing. This is a very, very high net worth, high premium sort of like customer in terms of buying power in India. But that is the first consideration set, who's coming to buy your TV. But what ultimately is who is buying your TV? पैसे किसने दिए हैं, right? वो अभी Amazon में अभी सेल हम कर रहे हैं, and Amazon shared this data. Currently, all the sales that happen in May month, 70% of them were an Amazon Prime customer in the May art sale, which we started off with, which is very, very encouraging because only like a top brand in the country in the TV space only garners that. Everybody is in the, every other brand is in the range of 45, 50 sort of like percent without naming the brand. But we are very happy that our first month, people have perceived, oh my God, this is, the premium sort of customer. So it's very, very exciting. But at the same time, just one more breakdown, the type of customer that we're getting is also equally spread, both in terms of sizes, but most importantly, and very interestingly, which we also didn't anticipate, was tier 1 से 40% customers आ रहे हैं, but आपका जो tier 3 है, almost 30%, 30% of our orders today, and equally split across all the sizes, 43, 50, 55, and the mini LED, which is 60K, tier 3 से आ रहे हैं, which is very interesting. लोगों को साल लग जाता है, साल 2 साल लग जाता है to like achieve certain such numbers.
That is like amazing, that there is a good response to Lumio, and I'm also happy that I experienced the birth of the brand. Now, I want to understand, like, how do you see India's projector market, like home projector market,
Yeah,
right? And how do you plan to tap into it?
So this category is untapped. I'll explain. टीवी का मार्केट 13-14 मिलियन इंडिया में है, बट प्रोजेक्टर का मार्केट इज लेस देन 100K, लाइक 100 to 125K. अगर आपका इसका रेशियो लोगे, इट्स लेस देन 1%. अगर आप दूसरे कंट्रीज देखोगे, यूएस, यूके, चाइना, that percentage of TV sales versus a projector sales is somewhere between 16 to 20%. So we feel there is a potential of 10x growth in this category. And currently, it is very, very extreme from a product offering on what customer is getting. एक कैटेगरी है जो 1 लाख के ऊपर अच्छे प्रोडक्ट्स बेच, विच इज ट्रू क्लेम्स, एक्चुअली हैज ऐप सपोर्ट, सर्विस भी देते हैं. देन 80% ऑफ द मार्केट इज लाइक अंडर 15-20K. वो प्रॉपर ब्राइटनेस मिलता है बिकॉज वो कुछ भी जाके क्लेम करे. बहुत लुमेंस लाइट जिसको लाइक चल रहा है अभी, पीपल क्लेम, जैसे टीवी में ब्राइटनेस होता है निट्स, प्रोजेक्टर में लुमेंस, एनसी लुमेंस होता है, बट कोई एनसी लुमेंस नहीं लिखता, कोई सोर्स लुमेंस लिख रहा है, कोई एलईडी लुमेंस लिख रहा है. देयर इज नो स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन और होमोजेनियस happening on the online market space. So that's something that we are trying to get into Amazon and trying to fix it also. As we give, like, it takes sometimes one truthful person to stand out and talk the truth. And that's how other people also maybe will follow. Hopefully, like our name suggests, Lumio, like a light, we want to be a shining light in this space. So there is opportunity in the just the TV to projector market. We are invested in this long term. In fact, very happy to share that all these projectors are going to be made in India, just like our TVs.
ग्रेट। लेकिन प्रोजेक्टर के साथ ऐसा लगता था कि जैसे कि ये काफ़ी कुछ लोगों के लिए है, मतलब इट्स नॉट फॉर एवरीबॉडी, राइट?
यस।
और मैंने लाइफ में बहुत ही कम समय के लिए एक प्रोजेक्टर यूज़ किया है, लेकिन उस समय उसकी टेक्नोलॉजी इतनी अच्छी नहीं थी, और जैसे एचडीएमआई केबल लगाकर उस पे स्क्रीन को मिरर करना या फिर उसको पूरा
करेक्ट।
वो हीट होने की इश्यूज होते थे। फिर मुझे लगा कि शायद ये प्रोजेक्टर का मैं ऑडियंस ही नहीं हूँ, मैं टारगेट कस्टमर ही नहीं हूँ।
सो हमने एक्चुअली पर्सनली मैं प्रोजेक्टर यूज़ किया हूँ मेरे डैड के घर में। आई बॉट अ प्रोजेक्टर बिकॉज आई थॉट व्हाई डोंट यू वॉच इन अ बिगर स्क्रीन। नया घर लिया था 1 साल पहले। सो फ्रॉम अ टीजी परस्पेक्टिव यू विल बी वेरी सरप्राइज, देयर आर 2 सेट्स ऑफ कोहॉर्ट्स हियर। एक है फ्रेश फर्स्ट टाइम जॉब, जो घर से निकल के दूसरे शहर में जाके फर्स्ट टाइम जॉब कर रहा है। दिस इज स्टडी दैट वी डिड, 1000+ responses that we decided. He is like, मैं अगर किसी और के रेंटेड हाउस में रह रहा हूँ एंड आई एम प्रीटी श्योर आई विल मूव बैक टू माई प्लेस, आई विल गो टू न्यू सिटी फॉर बेटर अपॉर्चुनिटीज। वो बोल रहे हैं मैं टीवी में इन्वेस्ट क्यों करूँ, उसके बाद बेचना है। प्रोजेक्टर अगर लोगे, अ कम्पैक्ट प्रोजेक्टर जस्ट लाइक वी हैव अ स्मॉल प्रोजेक्टर, दिस इज द ARC5। इट्स एज यू कैन सी इट्स बहुत छोटा सा है, राइट? यू
Correct,
कैन
correct.
कैरी इट इन योर बैकपैक, यू कैन कैरी इट इन at least a suitcase, right? He can carry this when he moves house. टीवी वो लेके नहीं जाने वाला, किसी को बेच देगा। द सेकेंड कस्टमर इज, जैसे आप और मैं, हम अपने लिविंग रूम में सबसे मोस्टली द बिगेस्ट स्क्रीन इज इन अ लिविंग रूम।
Correct.
It can be a 40 inch, 15, 16, 17 inch, 100 inch, depending on which household you're talking about. बट बेडरूम में हम 32 इंच 43 इंच लगा रहे हैं। हम बोल रहे हैं with the same cost you can get a 100 inch experience with our ARC5 and ARC7. One thing which is standards, very very universal truth, the bigger the size of the entertainment, better is the experience. And watching sports and movies is the
ऑफ
best.
कोर्स, लाइक ऐसा नहीं है कि हम लोग छोटे से ही हम लोग घर मन में रहता है कि हमारे पास भी एक प्रोजेक्टर हो,
Correct.
लेकिन कभी उसका यूज केस समझ में नहीं आया। You already mentioned the name of the two products, right? And tell me, like, give a small walkthrough of it. Like,
Sure.
what are the highlights of these two
Sure.
projectors? What are the standout features
Sure.
which people can understand?
Sure. We will go deeper inside. So this is proudly designed in Bangalore. आप जो भी डिज़ाइन देख रहे हो सब बैंगलोर में डिज़ाइन हुआ है। एंड द कलर जैसे टीवी में था, टीवी यूजुअली ब्लैक होता है, हमने रिमोट ग्रे किया था, इसमें हमने उल्टा किया। इसमें हमारा प्रोडक्ट इज ग्रे एंड द रिमोट इज ब्लैक, सो वी प्लेइंग विद बोथ ब्लैक एंड ग्रे।
Correct.
बट एट द हार्ट ऑफ इट इज अ आर्क इंजन। सो वी कैन, लाइक आई सेड, हम लोग 6 फीट और 8 फीट के दूरी से with this and the ARC7 you can have a anywhere between 70 inch to 100 inch just with 6 feet, because इसका थ्रो रेशियो जो है वो बहुत ही अच्छा है। इट्स अबाउट 1.2:1। सेकेंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, जो इंडिया घरों में दिस इज मेड फॉर बेड साइड यूसेज, और एंड टिपिकली प्रोजेक्टर में इसमें भी है स्क्रू फॉर वॉल माउंटिंग, बट कितने लोगों के घर में ट्राईपॉड रहता है प्रोजेक्टर देखने के लिए, और
Correct.
वॉल माउंटिंग सीलिंग कर देते हैं। यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू सी वेर यू टिपिकली वांट टू सी, विच इज अबव नोज लेवल एंड अबव। तो हमने एक एडिशन किया है विच इज कॉल्ड अंडरस्टैंड। सो ये किक स्टैंड से आप एंगल कर सकते हो एंड इट विल गिव यू अन अबव आई लेवल एक्सपीरियंस फ्रॉम अ वेस्ट लेवल।
Correct.
I'll give you a real world example. The projector that I got from my dad 2 साल पहले, that projector sits above my head when I stand, and I'm about 175 centimeter. ये प्रोजेक्टर सेम स्पेस, सेम डिस्टेंस, सेम इस लेवल पे रहा है
Correct.
with the kickstand, and it fills the entire space, even bigger space, because the throw ratio is better than the other one. तीसरा चीज आप जो देख रहे हो, this one, like I mentioned earlier, बहुत false claim चल रहे हैं, कोई भी लिख रहा है, कुछ भी लिख रहा है, but we are giving 200 ANSI lumens on the smaller ARC5 and 400 ANSI lumens on the bigger one. But more importantly, आप जो देख रहे हो, we are built in Google TV in this. So आपको कुछ, you start your Google TV experience there, you continue on a projector in your bedroom. So you start a match or your movie in the living room, you continue right where you were in this on both the products.
थोड़ा सा आपने लुमेंस के बारे में बताया, तो थोड़ा सा हमारे दर्शकों को ये भी समझाइए कि कौन सा प्रोजेक्टर की क्वालिटी और उसको कैसे एक आम
How do I
इंसान
quality?
कैसे जान सकता
Yeah.
है कि कौन सा प्रोजेक्टर उसके लिए
So-
सही है।
So जैसे सैमसंग हो गया, बेंक्यू हो गया, LG हो गया, these guys are very truthful. They write what is there. So I should, now we are in the same mix. You should see us and look at all the other options. And actually, we are the only like people who are actually saying the truth. Everybody else, जो बहुत cheaper price में आपको बेच रहे हैं, वो most likely आपसे झूठ ही बोल रहे हैं. और इसका कोई क्या बोलते हैं, it's a process. We are also trying to see if you can correct. But we are truthful to it. I mean, हमने बोला इसमें एक 5 watt का speaker है, but दूसरे में 2 into 8 watt 16 watt. But जो हमने initially टेस्ट किया और आज भी हमने जिन लोगों को दिखाया, everybody said the sound is great. So we're carrying the same DGS का जो sound हमने TV में बोला था, damn good sound. First time in the price point that we will bring, it's unheard of. Literally, in pun intended.
Okay, so you're right now withholding the price.
Yeah.
But can you tell like when these products will be available to consumers?
Sure. We will be a Prime exclusive launch on Amazon this Prime Day. One of the products, and we will start with the bigger brother Arc 7, and the smaller brother Arc 5 will follow within weeks. So look forward. Go to Amazon.in and you can check out the Notify Me and you can get updates on that.
जाने से पहले एक लास्ट सवाल आपसे
Sure.
पूछूंगा कि यूजुअली क्या होता है कि या तो आप टीवी यू देखोगे या तो प्रोजेक्टर लगाओगे, दोनों साथ में तो बहुत कम यूज करते हैं लोग.
Sure.
तो आपको क्या लगता है, दिस इज द सिचुएशन ऑफ दिस और दैट, और लाइक दे कैन गो लाइक दिस कुड बी अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री experience?
For the 2 cohorts that I mentioned, the first cohort is a projector only person. He's not a TV person. The second cohort, जैसे आप और मैं, we want a biggest size whatever or a TV in our living room because we have been trained like that.
Correct.
नया generation, I think they're thinking very differently. Gen Z जिनको बोल रहे हैं हम लोग आजकल, they like projectors. They really love projectors. We had few respondents from the Gen Z group and they're like, dude, I'm looking for a projector. But the second cohort, like you and me, we are a this and that product. So TV and a projector. But there is also a cohort which is just a projector or just a TV. Obviously, there are all types of consumer. India is quite big. There are various types of customer. We want to build different categories in Lumio, and we want to build not a Me Too product. Just like this has been completely designed from ground up, scratched. A lot of thought has gone behind this product. It is very exciting because not a lot of people have gotten into this and tried to solve. We are trying to solve for very, very, not just a product, by the way. This category also is flooded with bad or no customer after service. That's very, very critical. And we are trying to this will have service across 200 plus cities. So in-store experience, so you can just walk into the store and get that experience in a nearby store, which is completely non-existent और डजन इवन हैव. आप जाके उनके कस्टमर सपोर्ट में जाओगे, ना ही कस्टमर सपोर्ट मिलेगा. अगर आपको मिल गए गलती से, वो बोलेंगे ये डस्ट आता है, राइट, इसमें क्लोज लाइट इंजन है, इसमें डस्ट नहीं आता है. सो हेंस इट इज़ वेरी वेरी प्रीमियम टेक्नोलॉजी. उसको बनाने के लिए वी टुक सम टाइम. बट उन सारे अभी कैटेगरीज में क्या हो रहा है, उनको अगर आप पहुंच भी जाओ, बोलोगे मेरा डस्ट आ गया, बोलेंगे कंपनी पॉलिसी है, नॉट वी कांट फिक्स इट. भाई प्रोडक्ट में प्रॉब्लम आया विद इन 1 year, आप कैसे फिक्स नहीं करोगे? So and these are all in Amazon again. Like in TV, we scraped plus 50,000 plus reviews. इसमें भी they're not 50,000 reviews, but there are like few thousand, tens and thousands of reviews. We analyze and we saw a lot of these problems. And personally, I have faced it. मैंने प्रोजेक्टर लिया है, उसमें ब्लॉचेस आ गए हैं, डस्ट घुस गया है, ब्राइटनेस कम हो गया है. एप्स की बात तो छोड़ो, नेटफ्लिक्स चलता नहीं है, प्राइम वीडियो नहीं चलता है, हॉटस्टार नहीं चलता है. तो it's a problem of like multiple things in this category, and it's about product, but it's also about things around the product. तो वो हम लोग change कर रहे हैं. And like I said, because we're carrying forward from our TV after sales network, we're also bringing that same sort of like support here. So yeah, from day one, when you buy our product, you will find after sales support, which is a very 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 big thing in this category.
All right, Sudeep, thank you for talking to us.
problem,
and
my
it was
pleasure.
always lovely, and I wish you all the best for the new product.
Thank you so much, and thanks for all the support. I think, like I mentioned earlier, the love that we are getting from everybody, including you and your viewers, it's like, we are so grateful. And continue helping us, spreading the word of mouth, because that's how we will also grow step by step. And hope to see you soon again in our next product.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. The love that we are getting from everybody, including you and your viewers, it's like, we are so grateful. And continue helping us, spreading the word of mouth, because that's how we will also grow step by step. And hope to see you soon again in our next product.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.